There are hundreds of thousands of fiberglass and acrylic tubs and showers out in America today. The problems with these fixtures that over time, especially if they were not reinforced properly by the person who installed them, the bottoms can weaken, become soft, and eventually crack or break, leaving the owner of the fixture with a very expensive problem. This is a sample of the bottom of the tub. Fiberglass, there's no metal base, so once it cracks, moisture, mold, and mildew can start to grow underneath the tub. I'm going to show you a very simple fix that will permanently fix this problem for pennies on the dollar of replacement. It's an inlay. What you get with an inlay is a set of simple step-by-step instructions that pretty much anyone can follow. You get a pair of gloves for your hands, a piece of sandpaper, a tube of heavy-duty adhesive, a spreader, and of course the unbreakable inlay, which looks very much like the surface of the tub. The difference being it is unbreakable. Once you repair it with this tub fixture or shower fixture is permanently fixed. Simply clean the bottom of the tub with any household cleanser, Comet, Ajax, whatever. Wash the tub, scrub it real good, making sure there's no shampoo, soap, scum, body dirt. This is probably a minute or two of cleaning, and of course you would rinse that off with fresh water. You would also dry the fixture quickly, so now you have a clean, dry surface to work with. The next thing you would do is take the inlay, textured side up. This is your anti-slip built right into the inlay, and you would center it, making sure it looks good. Once you have it centered, you would just take a pencil, outline the inlay, so you know right where it is. Remove the inlay, and with the sandpaper provided in the kit, you would sand the bottom right on the line. The reason we're sanding is to scratch up the surface to give the adhesive a better bond, allow the adhesive to bite better into the fixture. You want to go right up to that line. Try not to go beyond the line. But the closer to the line, you get better bite with the adhesive. Of course, sand the entire surface that will receive the adhesive. Okay, you're going to do the same thing to the underside of the inlay. Again, the textured side is the anti-slip. That's the side you're going to stand on. The underside is smooth and needs to be quickly sanded also. For the same reason. Again, you put some scratches so that the glue is going to be able to bite and hold better. Next, we simply wipe away the dust with a towel. And then wearing the gloves provided in the kit, keep the adhesive off our hands. you would simply take the adhesive provided in the kit, put it in a caulk gun, and dispense the adhesive directly to the fixture, getting nice and close to your pencil mark. Next step, take the spreader from the kit and spread the adhesive. Get right up close to that line. A little bit beyond the line is okay because we're going to clean it up when we're done. We would always apply the adhesive to the fixture, not to the bottom of the inlay. Okay. Press it into place. Now using paper towels and alcohol,